Hello there. This is Tyler Campbell. I'm going to be going over the Unit 2 assignment. I don't know if this window is necessarily big enough for the recording. I'll slide it around so that you can see more as I go. And I don't even know if I was supposed to make a video for this assignment, but I decided to make one just in case to show how I went about doing the stuff I did and why. So anyway, so far from the start where it says to practice and you input, you declare all these variables and whatnot, and you input their values. I did all that over here on the right side in the editor. So you can see I've got all the stuff that I was telling you to put in over here, and then when I run it, it should display Smith John 40 years old. So I'm going to show that real quick. Smith John 40 years old, so it does what it needs to do. And then for the last portion, there we go. So it says for the next part, it says the next step is to display in a dialog box the row from the table that is indicated by the number in cell F5. So this is the goal. You want Smith John 40 was it 44 here in the fifth one to come up. At least that's from what I understand from the directions. So I'm going to get it to display this, which is the fifth entry or the sixth row. So essentially, to do that, scroll over here. When you're inputting the values, the first value here is going to be your row, and the second one is your column. So like before, it was displaying with the Smith John 40 because it was doing column 1, row 2, and all these have row 2 because it wanted that second row. But then you have the different columns for the last name, first name, age. So all I would have to do is just change this. It's the fifth entry, but it was the sixth row, I do believe. So you just put in 6. And that should give us the Smith John 44. So if that looks right, I'm going to run it. And it gives us Smith John 44 years old. Okay. So it does everything that we need it to do. I don't see anything else on here. So I believe that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Like I said, I wasn't even sure if I was supposed to even create a video for this, but I did anyway just to be safe. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much.